Hello everyone, it's Misato from Low Level Cosplay again, and today we have a new part of the How to Cosplay series, and in this one I'm gonna show you how you can easily make an inner lining for a cosplay coat or jacket or whatever you need it for. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content like this, and without further ado, let's sew it. I think it's right. Sewing? Okay. So let's start with the pattern. These are the main pattern parts that I usually use for the outer pieces, but here I have cut them apart so they fit my needs for the inner lining. These pieces on the right will be made from lining fabric, and the pieces on the left side will be made out of normal fabric. I begin with the back part because it will get some additional fabric in the middle. I have already traced on one half of the back, and now I will use this ruler as a spacer. After that I flip the pattern and trace it on so that I have one big piece with some extra fabric in the middle. Now that I have cut it out, I will fold it in half and sew it tight about 5 cm on the top and on the bottom. This is how it should look like after sewing. All the other parts were cut out normally without any extra fabric added. In the next step I will sew this neck and bottom part on the back side. By the way, don't forget the top stitch. After this is done, we put it aside for now and start working on the front part. For this we sew these two pieces together. Now that this is also done, we attach the front bottom part. It is now time for the arm, and for this a small hem will be added at the end of the arm. With this done, all the individual parts are ready for assembly. We begin as always by sewing the front and back together at the shoulder. After this is done, we attach the arm to the armhole. In the next step we will close the arm and side of the inner lining with one long seam. Just repeat the steps for the other side as well and you are done. And it's now time for the final review. So this was the tutorial. I know it's not good, but it's okay in my opinion. And if you haven't already, maybe considering subscribing to this channel. It helps me a lot, keeps this channel growing and the videos coming. Also, put in the comments down below what you like, what you dislike, what I can improve, or what you want to see in a future video. I will try my best. And until then, see you next time. Have a great day, and I'm out. Bye.